right, now I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm taking a look at this 3-year history proficiency report for Excel Charter Academy, home of the Eagles. And I'll tell you what, this makes me fired up and so excited. Every single time I look at this, it reminds me of the legacy that we have at Excel Charter Academy. We have, with our state scores on testing for the last several years, and even years before that, always outperformed the state averages and the averages of many schools around us. Why have we done that, you might ask? Well, I'm here to tell you. We've done it because of the outstanding work of all of you as students. We've done it because of the incredible instruction from our teachers. And to be honest, we do it because of the grit and the determination of all of you when you take the test. So I'm here to remind you, as we venture into these tests for the next few weeks, 5th grade, by the way, awesome job kicking us off with science already. But these next few weeks, remember, you're an Excel Charter Academy student. Be full of persistence, full of grit, full of determination, full of resolve, full of everything that it takes to do your absolute best. And with that, you'll taste success. And with that, we'll continue our legacy as an outstanding school that does amazing things and continues to dominate the academic world with lots and lots of trophies. We do like those. Way to go, Excel students. Keep up the great work.